Alright, folks, thank you for tuning in here at the North Alabama WX Watch team. We are currently live for a tornado warning up here in Colbert and Limestone County. Again, that is Colbert and Limestone County. If you are in these regions, you need to be taking shelter now, moving into an interior room of a sturdy building, away from doors and windows. Here's your very broad rotation just west of Rogersville, Alabama. Looking towards Towns Creek, we're probably going to get another tornado warning over here as we got some very tightening velocity couplets there, and a little bit here just northwest of Moulton, Alabama. I want to go ahead and take a look to our storm towards Hangar and Sexton. We also have rotation here as well. So each and every one of our storms that are currently warned, except for the one in Huntsville, is rotating. So we got rotation. We're probably going to see multiple tornado warnings get issued fairly soon, if warranted by the National Weather Service in Huntsville. So we're going to stay live for a pretty long while here. So if you are, again, in the Colbert and Limestone County regions, you are under a tornado warning for the next 26 minutes for a $0.5 size hail. And this is a radar-indicated tornado or rotation, so this is just now beginning to cause issues down here within the region. So that's including Lauderdale, Limestone, both Lauderdale and Limestone County in Alabama until 8:15 p.m. Central Daytime. At 7:44 p.m. Central Daytime, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Rogersville, or 17 miles east of Muscle Shoals, moving east at 20 miles per hour. If you are in those regions, you need to be taking shelter now, moving into a sturdy room of interior room of a sturdy building, away from doors and windows. Again, that is if you are in not Colbert County, but bear with me here, folks. That is going to be now we got a severe thunderstorm warning for the one here in Lawrence County, and that continues. Actually, that's with this smaller cell here that has a tornado possible tag on it. So we're going to continue to monitor that. These will probably get issued here very soon. We got multiple supercells going on throughout the Alabama region. So please, folks, if you are anywhere in the Alabama region, we do have a tornado watch continuing until around 11 p.m. Central Daytime tonight. And this is not going to be it. We're going to have multiple hours of tornado warning. So that's Lauderdale and Limestone County that is in this tornado warning currently. So again, Lauderdale and Limestone County, you need to be in your safe place now. Move to a sturdy building if possible, and away from doors and windows. I'm going to go ahead and fix the title real quick, because I accidentally put in the wrong county. That's my bad. Alright, there we go. So Lauderdale and Limestone County, you are under a tornado warning for the next several minutes. About 8 p.m., not even 8 p.m., about 8:20, 8:30 is when this warning will be allowed to expire here. But this is just an area of rotation that has developed within the past couple of minutes from now. We got a storm in Moulton that is beginning to also do about the same here. This is going to be moving northeast. So this is coming from the south. Decatur, go ahead and get ready for the sail as this begins to move through your area. This tornado warning will continue for another 24 minutes down here in Rogersville, Alabama. If you are in Rogersville, Alabama, continue to be in your safe place now. Do not leave until the warning is allowed to expire. But that is a tornado warning that continues. So folks, again, please do stay in your safe place now. Move into an interior room of a sturdy building as possible. We just got a new tornado warning and just issued. This is going to include DeKalb and Jackson County, Alabama. So that's going to include these counties down here around the Hangar region. Look at that. There it is right there. So here's our new tornado warning that we have currently ongoing. We got 2 tornado warnings in Alabama. So 2 tornado warnings here just now coming in to the warning list here. Bear with me as I create a new title. So folks, again, I really want you to be in your safe place now, and you need to be continuing to stay there for a while. Alright, so again, we are now actually seeing a increased tornado potential here over our North Alabama center here, and I was very concerned for this throughout the evening as these storms begin to develop, and here we are. Let's go ahead and pull up a radar real quick just to kind of see if we can see anything. That's not a radar, but I mean a camera there. And so yeah, we're gonna go back and forth from these storms. I want to focus back on our storm closer to Rogersville and Athens, or yeah, including. All right, let's just go ahead and get this in. I'm trying to do multiple things here. All right, if you are in Rogersville, Olive, Cedar Grove, Whitehead, Anderson, Gassy, Langdon, Grassy, Union Hill, Good Springs, Salem, Scaris, Grease, Lester, and Gordesville, you need to be in your safe place now. You got a tornado warning for your area. This storm has low-level rotation that was detected a little while ago. This warning has another 21 minutes for it. And let's go ahead and move over here to our tornado warning near Hangar. This is this storm here is the one that's more violently rotating at this time. Not exactly violently, but excuse me, it's still rotating at this time. If you are not in your safe place, please do make it there now. If you're in Hangar, Alabama, Elliott Crossroads, Alabama, Townsend Crossroads, Alabama, you need to be in your safe place now. I think the pressure just dropped outside of my house here. So I'm going to continue to really watch that. Bear with me, folks. I'm trying to figure out something real quick. Alright, again, I want to mention your names again. If you are in Hangar, Townsend, Central, Rosielli, Schrader, Eider, Townsend Crossroads, Battley, Gann Crossroads, and Buala and Shiloh, you need to be in your safe place now. You got a tornado warning for another 35 minutes. We, matter of fact, did a live stream for this area just a little while ago, so you need to be in your safe place now. Going back over here towards our storm near Rogersville, just northeast of Rogersville now. We continue to see the storm continue to rotate, excuse me. But as of now, it is becoming more hail dominant, so large hail is going to continue falling with this storm. This is a tornado possible tag with the severe thunderstorm warning. And this is the actual tornado on the ground. You got a tornado on the ground. I do apologize here. If you're in Anderson, you need to be in your safe place now. This is a tornado on the ground around Cedar Grove, Anderson, Good Springs, Union Hill, Scarsy Grease, and Salem. You need to be in your safe place now. Please be sure to just stay in your safe place. We are continuing to really keep an eye on this storm as of now. And if you're in Hangar, this is a really, really interesting supercell out here as well. So most likely we're going to see something try to touch down with this one here very soon too. But I want to focus on our storm that is currently on the ground. I wish we had a better radar imagery of this storm, but we unfortunately don't. This is kind of in a tad bit of a radar hole, not really, but it is on the ground and possibly causing damages. But this is radar confirmed. This is not radar confirmed, but it's confirmed by the National Weather Service here. And let's go ahead and see who confirmed it at least. This is, again, an observed tornado warning. Alright, so weather spotters confirmed a tornado on the ground just north of Rogersville, Alabama. Again, that is north of Rogersville, Alabama. You need to be in your safe place now. This is a serious situation. Right now, large hail is continuing to fall with this as well. And Brian Rojaz, you're asking what app I'm using. I'm currently using Radar Omega with the newer updates here that's now coming in. But as of now, that's all I've got to say until this threat ends. This is a nocturnal event. You're not going to be able to see these tornadoes on the ground. It is just now getting darker. So you folks need to be in your safe place. I want to move back over to our other tornado warning down here towards Hangar. If you're in Hangar, we continue to see this as of now. So now we just got an extension of the, we got a new tornado warning that is observed up in Lincoln, Tennessee. That's not our coverage area. So if you're out north towards Coxsey, you're probably seeing that lightning, very frequent lightning being possible out there. And if you are mainly in Cedar Grove, you're really getting impacted. Cero, going into Anderson, Good Spring, Salem, Scarcy, Grease, those areas, you're currently getting slammed at this time. So you need to be in your safe place now. Let me get a drink of water. I do apologize there, folks. I'm a little parched, but again, we continue to see our observed tornado warning here. This continues for another 16 minutes. Another 16 minutes there. Taking a look towards our tornado just east of Hangar. This is a very concerning supercell now going into Georgia here very soon. Okay. I'm just checking for updates if possible. So this is where your tornado is most likely going to be when it strengthens up a little bit, but that's heading straight for Townsend Crossroads. If you're in Townsend Crossroads, you need to be in your safe place now. This is going to be mainly moving northeast around 20 to 30 miles per hour. This is a EAS activation requested. So this includes East Central Jackson County. Don't know what that was. Bear with me, folks. Might have been my GoPro for a minute there. I don't know what that sound was, but I was making sure that we weren't seeing anything. But we just got a continuation to a severe thunderstorm warning a little while ago. We continue to see a tornado on the ground near Florence, or not near Florence, but near Rogersville, Alabama. This is a confirmed tornado warning by spotters that seen this on the ground. We continue to see this move through with large hail, gusty winds, and again, a tornado is on the ground. You need to be in your safe place now. All right, folks, we're going to go ahead and pull up our stuff here. We're going to get some extra help by our friend Austin. So we can continue to keep an eye on this. All right, so we got a update to our tornado warning. Hey, Austin. Yes, sir. Thank you for tuning in. We got 2 tornado warnings in Alabama. Welcome in, Travis. Hey, so we're still live. Folks, I need y'all to be helping me out with radar. Travis and Austin, I'm going to keep you on that storm just northeast of Hangar, Alabama, or north of Fort Payne, Alabama. And I'm going to monitor this storm in Rogersville. This is still a confirmed tornado on the ground. So if you... Go ahead. Yep. Bear with me. I don't think they can hear you just yet.
Can everybody hear me?
Yep, now they can hear you.
All right, great. Thank you.
No problem.
All
All
right.
right, so we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning for the Trinity region of Alabama. So if you're in Trinity, you are now under a tornado possible tagged severe thunderstorm warning. You need to be moving to your safe place now. This could drop a tornado just north of Mountain Home, following Road 33. Go ahead, Austin. You were saying something earlier.
I wasn't saying anything, but based off the new scan of the Hangar tornado in Alabama or tornado warning, rotation is strengthening. So that's not a good sign, really, to see. A little bit south of Ider, Alabama, and right a little bit west of I-59.
Yeah. And folks,
Yeah,
I just covered this area yesterday where literally this same area almost had the exact same thing going on here. So folks, unfortunately, you're seeing another tornado warning here for your area. And that being said, be running to your shelter. Don't walk, but run to your shelter and stay there. If you are in Townsend, Crossroads, Ider, Gann Crossroads, Beulah, Beulah, and Shiloh, Alabama. You need to be in a safe
okay.
place now. Go ahead.
That said, that cell that's heading to Trinity got some rotation on it.
Yep, we got a tornado possible tag with that severe thunderstorm warning. That here, folks, very soon, if it continues, we could see it move into Athens, Alabama. So heads up, if you're in Athens, Alabama, you need to be moving to your safe place, or not moving to your
And
safe
take,
place, but like turning on your local weather radio. Go ahead.
and take your proper precautions. This tornado, you guys are in a tornado area.
That's correct. And as you see on the radar, within the past hour, we have had an uptick in just little supercells throughout the region. And I was monitoring these cells as they begin to fire toward our northeast, and as they began to fire towards our west. So this continues to be a threat through the overnight hours. And remember, if these do touch down, this could be another issue. We just got a new tornado warning that now includes Limestone County, and Lawrence County, North Lawrence County, and Lauderdale County. So again, Rogersville, you're in another tornado warning. If you're in Coxie, Oakland, out there towards Anderson, you need to be in your safe place now. This is a new tornado warning for your area. Be taking shelter immediately. This is going to be moving at 20 miles per hour to 30 miles per hour until 8:45 Central Daytime. So 25 miles per hour. This was seen possibly capable of producing a tornado and is moving or located near Cortland or 17 miles north of Moulton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard,
Yeah,
tornado, and ping pong ball size hail. You need to be in your safe place now. I cannot stress that enough.
Yes, sir. I
I'm
will.
gonna pull up some.
Do what?
I'm gonna pull up some reports.
Okay. Yeah, Travis, I'll put you on media if you don't mind.
All right. Media.
I'm sorry you hear thunder in the background. I'm currently getting hit by storms right now.
Yep, I am
Um,
too. I have a thunderstorm to my north. That one that's in Moulton, that's fairly close.
mm,
So, it's currently dark, so again, you're not going to be able to see these tornadoes if they do, and when they move into your area. So again, I can't stress this enough. You need to be weather aware and just tune into your local news station. Stay tuned with us, and stay tuned with your local National Weather Service as we continue to cover this area. Um, very, very concerned for these areas up north. Our rotation, including that storm in Cedar Grove, Cero, Salem, Strasburg, Greasy, Lester, Gorgeville, that's going to be a tightening rotation there. Um, very close. That also is still our observed tornado warning. We got 8 minutes on that morning. I'm going to assume they're going to allow that one to expire since our new tornado warning now covers these two cells. We're probably going to, yep, we've seen a continuation. Where'd that is? Where's that?
I'm not sure.
Oh, that's link. That's not here. That's in. So where was I at? Okay. We're probably going to get an extension here very as the storms move through towards Ardmore and Elkmont and Ardmore, Alabama, in Limestone County, moving into the Tennessee, Alabama and Tennessee border there. Let's go ahead and check out our storm towards Rogersville as it continues to rotate here. And very strong rotation continues just on top of our storm towards Townsend Crossroad there. We did just get a new update to our severe thunderstorm warning over high top. They allowed that one to expire. Yeah, most of our storms are going to be mainly staying far east and far west. So Central Alabama, go ahead.
Just an update on this tornado warning right east of Henniger. This storm is continuing to grow in rotation. It's getting close to cross I-59 and head into extreme parts of western Georgia. So be in shelter. This storm is continuing to grow in rotation, so we're still going to watch on that. I'm definitely going to keep watching on that. Just be in your safe place now, please. Please don't walk.
I do apologize there, and I agree with you, Austin, very much. If you're in Rogersville, that rotation, as Austin was just mentioning, continues out here. That's going to be following towards Oak Grove and Townsend Crossroads here, going north on 59. We just got a new severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County, Alabama, and Franklin, Tennessee. So that's going to be a continuation on that severe. I knew that one storm up there near High Top was not was still severe. There's the words I was looking for. I knew it wasn't done yet. Anyway, again, we continue to see our tornado warnings up here just north of Athens. We're about to see this one that's observed go expired, but we'll continue with our radar indicated tornado warning for the next few minutes. Okay, so Stella, we do have one storm just north of Florence, but the Muscle Shoals area, you're just going to currently mainly see these rain showers right here. Again, you do have a stronger storm, two stronger storms to your north. So you're probably seeing some rain showers and may start hearing some thunderstorms here very soon. If this storm south of Muscle Shoals can strengthen enough, we could see something move through Muscle Shoals, but we'll have to continue to watch. I will keep you updated on that storm as it continues to move northeast around towards the Muscle Shoals region. But right now, that's just a little small rain shower. That's not doing much. No lightning detected, maybe some slight to moderate rain shower. But stay tuned with us. We'll keep you updated on that end as well. Matter of fact, that storm that's kind of moving, going to be moving a little bit, kind of following these storms that are currently warned. And we did just get that new tornado warning, now including Elkmont, Oakland, Ardmore, and now Tony. So this goes into Madison County, Alabama. So that's going to be for that one supercell. And I do apologize if I say a lot. That's just the thing I do. I say a lot. But we continue to see our tornado warning continue into Limestone and Madison County, Alabama. If you are up there as well, we need you folks to just take shelter now. Try to move into the most interior part of your house, away from doors and windows. Try to find you a baseball helmet or bicycle helmet. There's the words that I was looking for. Put it over top of your head and stay tuned with us. And try to bring a weather radio with you as well. We just got a new tornado watch. I'm actually trying to figure out where this tornado watch is.
Is it from you?
No, it's for our area.
Oh, okay.
For the North Alabama area. I'm trying to figure out if they extended it or what they might have done.
I was thinking they're probably going to extend it for me because there's still a whole another line of storms coming around like 10 o'clock.
Sorry, I'm trying to go ahead and talk about that storm in Hangar. I have the radar up
there. Okay, so this storm, the storm east of Hangar, Alabama, No, like I just said, it's about to cross I-59. It's crossing I-59 as we speak, and near Oak Grove and Rogers is where the strongest rotation is at. Like I said, crossing I-59. So this has a history of growing rotation. So please, please, please stay in your safe shelter or in your storm shelter. Um, because this hasn't been weakening yet and it's still going on. It's still growing in strength. It's not much, but it's still growing in strength where we still have to keep an eye on it.
I agree with you, Austin. I appreciate that for that brief second. I do want to mention. Okay, I thought that was thunder. If you are north of Ardmore, Alabama, going into Tennessee, we do have a strong velocity couplet there. This tornado is on the ground, possibly causing damage. Now going just north of Ardmore. This is fairly close to that Alabama and Tennessee state line. So, folks, if you are around that area, you do need to also be in your safe place. These cells actually might merge. They're coming fairly close to merging. If you're in Decatur, Alabama, you're probably getting a lot of rain. I know I got people that are probably watching from Decatur. So if you are, please do be paying attention to your local weather radios and your local weather stations, and I will keep you aware on this. But we currently have um, three. Let's see. We got three tornado warnings, not including that one that's about to expire within the next minute. So we got three tornado warnings that continues into our Alabama, North Alabama region. So folks, we need you folks to really stay in your safe place. If you're in any of these warnings, I'm fixing to actually call out some town names real quick. So if you've got any family members around here, be sure to tell them to take shelter. All right. Our tornado continues near Hangar. Y'all still there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm still here.
Okay, I was making sure. I kind of lost audio for a minute there.
No, no, no. You're perfectly okay, sir.
All right, so we just allowed that other tornado warning that was observed to expire. So now we currently are down to three tornado warnings. We got a continuation to that tornado warning in Lafayette now, going into Georgia. So that's out of our coverage area. But again, if you're in Lafayette, Georgia, you need to be moving to your safe place now. As Austin was saying, this has a history of staying fairly strong with damaging winds, possible tornado, and larger hail.
This is law enforcement confirmed funnel cloud, so there's definitely a funnel cloud involved with this.
And is that the one near um, Ida?
Lafayette, yes, Ida.
Lafayette. Okay. So I wouldn't be surprised that storm is rotating. So if it continues, we'll probably see it maybe touch the ground before it gets into Georgia. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's just hope it doesn't, though. Let's let's just pray that it doesn't touch down, though, around that region. So if you're in Battley, Sulphur Springs, and Gain Crossroads going into Georgia. We talked about you folks yesterday, but here we are again. We have another possible tornado. There's already been a few reports of funnel clouds from law enforcement here. So if you're in Eider, Shiloh, I would say right now y'all are fine, other than dealing with some larger hail and gustier winds. Y'all are fine. But if you are following 59, Interstate 59 in Rogers, Battley, and Sulphur Springs, going into Sulphur Springs Station and going into Georgia, you need to be in your safe place now. That's a law enforcement um, confirmed funnel cloud within that storm. I want to go move back over towards Ardmore. Our high top radar is now getting pretty close to these storms, so it's easier to see. We got a new tornado warning for Lawrence and Limestone County, Alabama. So that's going to be, wow. That's going to be for this storm. Where is that going to be at?
Hey, Nick. If you go under tornado warning, do you want me take over?
Yeah.
Tornado warning.
Yep, there's that new tornado warning. Alright, so alright, we got Athens in this warning. I got a family member or a friend of mine in Athens, Alabama. You need to be in your safe place now. Okay, that's not good. I got a bunch of family members in these areas.
Looks like this rotation near Ire is weakening a little bit.
Yeah, so Limestone County, basically your whole county, you're all under a tornado warning. So, folks, if you're just in general in Limestone County, go ahead and take shelter now. Move into an interior room of a sturdy building. Be sure to put on a bicycle helmet or anything to protect your head from flying debris if there is any touchdown to the storm. But we continue to see a tornado warning over here now going into Limestone. Decatur, this is just north of you. Folks, I think we have a tornado on the ground. That is going to be just north of Cero, Alabama. This, again, may be a tornado on the ground. If not, it could be noise. But I think I'm seeing a CC drop. Yep, we may have a tornado on the ground. That's a definite tornado on the ground. Okay. Alright, folks, if you are south of Mount Roselle, you have a tornado on the ground. I'm going to go ahead and call this now. It's not confirmed by the National Weather Service, but we possibly have a tornado on the ground there. Please don't tell me here, too. No. Okay. Yep. Alright, folks. If you are around Gipsy, Spencer Store, Mount Roselle, Salem, going into Scarce, Greasy, Gordville, Lester, Vito, Elkmont, Hollingen, Tack, Oak Grove, pretty much all of Limestone County. Again, you just need to be in your safe place now. If you are in Lakeview, going into Lawson, Proctor, Tanner, Alabama, you need to also be in your safe place. This is